My name is Lukas, I'm 35 years old and originally from Sweden. I have during my entire life seen countless of products that are made in Taiwan. But I have never during my 35 years and 14 years of living in Taiwan seen a company who's making products for Taiwan until today, because today I am extremely honored of launching my own company where 100% of the products are not only made in Taiwan, but they're also made for Taiwan. Welcome to my brand new studio and the office of TheTaiwanShop.tw. This company is now live, it is active. You can go and visit the website right now, or you can just even scroll down a little bit and you should have all the product listings here straight on YouTube as well. We do have these very cute Taiwanese bears with or without a Taiwan sign, and we also have my favorite product, which is this Taiwan keychain, which may or may not have been inspired by the Taiwanese Louis Vuitton bag. But because of some trademark issues, we're just going to call this a very colorful, unique Taiwanese keychain. I just wanted to thank you all already for the tremendous support I have received regarding this new company since I have had maybe a soft opening for my YouTube channel members. All these products are made in Taiwan. They're made right here in my own YouTube studio, and all these products are also made for Taiwan. So 100% of the profit for these products will go straight back into promoting Taiwan. But I just want to make it very clear, this is not really for charity organization. This is very much for profit, and it is my own personal profit, but that will make it possible for me to continue making YouTube videos here in Taiwan. Right now, in the beginning of this process, I am now 3D printing all of these products all by myself here in my own apartment. And before we get into the actual product and what is coming next with this business, I quickly want to mention that if you are a YouTube channel member, you will have a discount code in the community section where you will get 20% off everything in this entire store, and you will also get some sneak peeks and first purchase opportunities when I do release some new products on my web shop as well. And just like I would not be able to do this without your tremendous support week after week watching all these YouTube videos I'm making, I would also not be able to do this without the tremendous support for the sponsor of today's video and technically this entire web shop, which is 3DP Base, since they have been so kind to send me this 3D printer for free so I can actually start my company. Very simply put, how this entire process works. Just imagine like a normal printer, but instead of having these like toners or the ink, you will have these different kinds of filaments, and you can get them in basically any color you can possibly imagine. Some of them even changes color themselves, so you don't even need to purchase separate colors. For example, these dragons are just printed using eSun, which is the name of the filament provider. In addition to this, they also have absolutely amazing customer service right here in Taiwan, and they can also give you a tour around their own store so you can actually see every single printer and all the countless of different filament types that they're offering before you decide to make a purchase. They have not only this amazing 3D printer from a Bamboo Lab, this is called the X1C, which you definitely do not need to remember. They also have Elegoo printers, which is the world's leading light curing or resin printing, which is a completely different process than these spools of filament, and provides complete FDM and light curing 3D printing solutions. So 3DP Base, thank you so much for your incredible support, making this dream of mine of starting my own company here in Taiwan a reality, and making it possible for me to make these absolutely amazing Taiwanese keychain and some other Taiwanese products as well. And as much as I want you to purchase products from me and my business, if you do go over to 3DP Base and purchase your own 3D printer, just send me an email and I can actually send you the files to all these products, and then you can just print these out by yourself in your own home, so you don't even have to purchase these items from me. Now, I don't think we're gonna get any deeper into the actual 3D printing process process and the 3D printing design, because I think that deserves its own video and actually its own 3D printing YouTube channel, which if you are interested, I will link to down in the description, since I do have another secret 3D printing YouTube channel that is 100% in English, but also 100% about 3D printing. So if you are curious and want to know literally everything there is to know about 3D printing specifically, please do check out the link down in the description and subscribe to my other English channel. So as I mentioned, right now, just to begin with, we do have this Taiwanese keychain and these Taiwanese bears with this Taiwan sign. But I have made an absolutely amazing design. So these signs are actually removable. So in the future, I'm gonna try to come up with a lot of different signs and also other ways of customizing this entire product line. So if you have any ideas of what you want on this sign instead of Taiwan, please do let me know. Leave a comment down below and I will try to make this a reality as soon as I possibly can. I also do have some greater plans of not only 3D printing, but also some other production methods that will come in a future video, which again will first be introduced to my YouTube channel member sections. I also just wanted to give a little bit of a heads up because I'm just a one-person company, so I'm the one doing everything. I'm designing the products, I'm uploading everything and updating the website, and I am the one taking care of like the shipping and packaging, and I literally have like boxes right here on the floor in my studio that if you are placing an order, I'm the one folding the boxes, putting the items in the boxes. I'm the one printing out the shipping labels. I'm the one going to like 7-Eleven to get everything shipped out. So please do bear with me. And if there are slightly longer processing times than you're expecting, I'm so sorry. I'm trying my absolute best. Again, you have the customer service email to this company as well right here. So you can just reach out and I 100% promise I will get back to you as soon as possible. I will have all the orders shipped out as soon as possible. Yeah, I'm working literally day and night just trying to make this happen, and I could not be more excited. As I mentioned in my previous video where I was going through all the struggles I had setting this up, in like upper elementary or like junior high, like 7th to 9th grade, I was already studying economics, and then I went to a business school with the focus or the major of becoming an entrepreneur. So I have like worked towards this moment literally since 7th grade. So I had no idea it was going to happen in Taiwan. I had no idea it was going to be like 3D printing, but I just enjoy every single moment of it. But of course it takes a lot of time, but please do not worry, because again, I'm making this company for the purpose of continuing making YouTube videos, and I'm selling these products via my YouTube channel. So YouTube goes first, and this company is just to make sure that I can continue making YouTube videos about my life here in Taiwan and of course about Taiwan. With that said, because of like shipping regulations, I'm shipping out via 7-Eleven and Family Mart. Right now, I can only ship within Taiwan. Hopefully that will change very, very soon, but I am not entirely sure how. I don't have a good solution. But yeah, other than that, I am, again, just extremely happy, and I'm not gonna bother you talking about this business anymore. If you do want some more information, please do consider joining the YouTube channel membership. Not only will you get 20% discount on everything in the entire store, always, you will also have much more information regarding this business, and also you will have the first access of purchasing every new item that I will be releasing in my store. Regardless if you want to purchase your own 3D printer, regardless if you even want to purchase these amazingly cute keychains and other products, thank you all so much for watching this video and for your continuous support here in Taiwan. My name is Lukas. Starts with L as in like, ends with S as in subscribe. Please do both, and see you all in the next one.